Welcome to this complete Funchal Portugal travel guide. Funchal, a city of sunshine and charm, is nestled within the picturesque island of Madeira, Portugal. As the capital of the island, Funchal is a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. The city is a gateway to an island paradise where the weather is always agreeable and the landscapes are stunningly beautiful. Funchal is a city that captivates the senses. You can smell the fragrant flowers blooming in its luscious gardens, taste the sweetness of its world-renowned wines, and feel the warm ocean breeze on your skin. The city is alive with culture, history, and a distinct, pulsating energy that is uniquely its own. From the stunning panoramic views atop the mountain peaks to the bustling city streets, Funchal offers a diverse range of experiences waiting to be discovered. But where does one start in this city of endless adventures? Well, fear not. Dive with me into the top 10 things you can do in this vibrant city. First on our list is the Monte Palace Tropical Garden. Nestled high above the city of Funchal, this gem of a garden is a verdant oasis, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustling city below. The garden's history is as rich as its flora. Originally a 19th century estate, it was transformed into a tropical paradise in the late 20th century. Today it boasts a stunning collection of exotic plants from all corners of the globe. As you meander through the myriad of winding paths, you'll be greeted by the intoxicating scents of orchids and azaleas, the soothing sounds of trickling waterfalls, and the awe-inspiring views of Funchal Bay. Here, nature and art intertwine, with strategically placed sculptures and ceramics adding a touch of culture to the lush landscape. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or just a casual admirer of nature's beauty, the Monte Palace Tropical Garden offers an experience that's nothing short of enchanting, certainly a paradise for nature lovers. Next, we have the Madeira Botanical Garden. An oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of Funchal, this gem is a testament to the island's rich biodiversity. Founded in the mid-20th century, the garden is home to a staggering collection of over 2,000 plant species, making it a veritable living museum. The garden's layout is a sight to behold, with terraced flower beds creating a captivating spectacle of colors and textures. But it's not just about the plants. The Madeira Botanical Garden is also renowned for its bird park, where you can meet an array of exotic feathered friends. And let's not forget the stunning panoramic views of Funchal, which truly add to the garden's charm. Whether you're a botany buff or simply a lover of nature's beauty, a visit to the Madeira Botanical Garden is an absolute must when in Funchal. So pack your picnic, don your sun hat, and get ready to immerse yourself in this horticultural haven, a perfect retreat for plant enthusiasts. Third on our list is the Funchal Cable Car. Soaring above the city, this cable car ride is nothing short of a thrilling adventure. As the cityscape slowly recedes, you'll find yourself ascending towards the verdant hills of Monte, with panoramas of the sparkling Atlantic Ocean stretching out beneath you. The Funchal cable car is more than just a mode of transport. It's an experience, a chance to see Funchal from a bird's eye view. As you glide over the city, you'll be treated to sights of terracotta rooftops, winding streets and lush greenery, all framed by the vast expanse of the azure ocean. Why is it a must-try, you ask? Well, it's not every day you get to float above a city, taking in its beauty from such a unique vantage point. It's a moment of serenity amidst the bustle of travel. So buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable ride with breathtaking views. Next up, Mercado dos Lavradores. This bustling market is a riot of color, sounds and smells, a treasure trove of everything fresh and local. Picture this, vendors with their vibrant displays of tropical fruits, vegetables and flowers, the air filled with the scent of ripening passion fruits and the sweet, heady aroma of orchids. But it's not just about the produce. There's a whole section dedicated to fresh seafood where you can witness the day's catch gleaming under the market lights. And let's not forget the local handicrafts, perfect souvenirs to take a piece of Funchal back home. Strolling through the market, you can't help but get swept up in the lively atmosphere. It's more than just a market, it's a social hub. You'll see locals catching up over a cup of poncha, a traditional Madeiran drink. It's this sense of community that makes Mercado dos Lavradores a must-visit. To sum it up, Mercado dos Lavradores is indeed a feast for all your senses. Our fifth stop is the Sea Cathedral of Funchal. Nestled in the city center, this majestic cathedral carries a rich history dating back to the 15th century. It's a testament to Portugal's age of discovery, standing tall as a beacon of faith and exploration. The Sea Cathedral of Funchal is a masterpiece of Gothic and Manueline architectural styles, merged with a touch of Moorish influence. Its ceiling, made of local cedar wood and designed in the mudéjar style, is a sight to behold. The intricate woodwork and the exquisite altar will leave you in awe. Visitors can expect to step back in time as they explore the cathedral's chapels, each one brimming with stories of devotion and artistry. Strolling through the hallowed halls, one cannot help but feel a sense of tranquility and reverence. A serene sanctuary in the heart of the city, the Sea Cathedral of Funchal is not just a place of worship, but a living piece of Madeira's rich cultural history. Next, we have the CR7 Museum. Celebrating the life and career of one of Portugal's greatest exports, Cristiano Ronaldo, the CR7 Museum is a must-visit for any sports fan. This place is a testament to the power of dreams and hard work. It's packed to the rafters with trophies, medals and memorabilia from Ronaldo's illustrious career, including his 5 Ballon d'Or awards. Each display tells a story of triumph, resilience and unwavering dedication to the sport. But it's not all about the bling. The museum offers an insight into Ronaldo's journey, from his humble beginnings in Madeira to becoming a global sporting icon. It's a journey that's both inspiring and humbling, a reminder that every great achievement begins with a dream. And for those who fancy a bit of interactive fun, there's a virtual reality experience that lets you step into Ronaldo's boots for a penalty shootout. So lace up your boots, channel your inner Ronaldo and take the shot. A haven for football enthusiasts. 8th on our list is the Santa Catarina Park. This magnificent park, nestled in the heart of Funchal, is a haven for those seeking tranquility amidst the bustling city life. With its lush greenery, vibrant flower beds and serene ponds, it's a paradise for nature lovers. Stroll along the winding paths and you'll find yourself under the shade of diverse trees from all over the world. The park is home to a charming chapel, Capella de Santa Catarina, a symbol of the island's rich history. The park also houses a delightful cafe, where you can sip on a refreshing drink and enjoy the picturesque view of the harbor. Children will be thrilled with the playground, while adults can relax on the numerous benches, soaking in the peaceful ambience. The park's crowning glory is its stunning panoramic view of the city, the port and the mountains, a sight that will take your breath away. A tranquil oasis in the city center. Next, we're heading to Pico do Arrieiro. Now brace yourselves as we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey to one of Madeira's highest peaks. Towering at a majestic 1,818 meters, Pico do Arrieiro offers a captivating panorama that's simply beyond compare. Imagine standing on the precipice, the cool mountain air filling your lungs, as you marvel at the vast expanse of untamed wilderness stretching out before you. Picture the sun rising, its first rays piercing the morning fog, casting an ethereal glow over the rugged landscape. Or perhaps envision the night sky, a mesmerizing tapestry of twinkling stars and galaxies far, far away. For the adventurous spirits, the mountain provides a challenging hiking trail that connects Pico do Arrieiro to Pico Ruivo, the island's highest summit. But fear not, even if you're not a seasoned hiker, the peak is accessible by car, offering everyone a chance to experience its breathtaking beauty. Indeed, Pico do Arrieiro is a thrilling adventure for everyone. Our 9th stop is the Funchal Marina. Located on the southern coast of Madeira Island, this marina is a hub of activity and a haven for sea lovers. As you stroll along the waterfront, you'll be greeted by a vibrant mix of colors from the bobbing yachts and fishing boats. Funchal Marina is not just about aesthetics, though. It is a bustling portal to the Atlantic, offering a plethora of maritime experiences. From leisurely sailing trips to adrenaline-pumping jet skiing, there's something for every kind of adventurer. For the explorers among us, why not embark on a dolphin and whale watching trip? It's a chance to witness the majestic creatures of the deep in their natural habitat. And let's not forget about the dining options. With a host of waterfront restaurants, you can indulge in fresh seafood while soaking in the picturesque views. So, whether you're a seasoned sailor or a landlubber with a love for the sea, Funchal Marina is a must-visit. A maritime adventure awaits. And finally, we have Blandy's Wine Lodge. A name that's synonymous with Madeira wine, Blandy's has been crafting this amber nectar for over 2 centuries. The lodge itself, nestled in the heart of Funchal, is a testament to the island's rich history and a beacon for wine enthusiasts worldwide. Blandy's Wine Lodge is not just a place to sample some of the world's finest Madeira wines. It's an experience steeped in tradition. As you step through the doors, you're stepping into a world where time-honored techniques meet modern innovation. The air is thick with anticipation, the walls whispering tales of barrels aging gracefully over years, even decades to reach that perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. Visitors can immerse themselves in a guided tour, unraveling the secrets behind the unique winemaking process. Or perhaps settle into a tasting session, swirling, sniffing and sipping their way through the lodge's extensive collection. A toast to the end of an exciting journey in Funchal. And there we have it, 10 must-visit attractions in Funchal, Portugal. From the lush Monte Palace Tropical Garden, a paradise for nature lovers, to the stunning Madeira Botanical Garden, a vibrant explosion of colors, we've soared above the city in the Funchal cable car and immersed ourselves in local culture at the Mercado dos Lavradores. We've marveled at the architectural grandeur of the Sé Cathedral of Funchal and celebrated football greatness at the CR7 Museum. We've strolled through the tranquil Santa Catarina Park and challenged ourselves with a hike to Pico do Arrieiro. We've soaked in the maritime charm of Funchal Marina and ended our journey with a taste of tradition at Blandy's Wine Lodge. Each of these places offers a unique slice of Funchal, from its history and culture to its natural beauty and culinary delights. That's all for this Funchal travel guide. Until next time, safe travels.